Welcome to another Origins video. In today's video, we delve into the current state and future trends of artificial intelligence. The current state of artificial intelligence, AI, is marked by significant progress and widespread integration into various fields. Artificial intelligence, with its transformative capabilities, is seamlessly permeating diverse sectors, revolutionizing processes, and redefining the future. Some key advancements include machine learning. AI-driven machine learning has enabled capabilities such as image recognition, speech synthesis, natural language processing, and autonomous vehicle technology. Computer vision. This technology allows AI machines to understand and recognize images and videos, with applications in facial recognition, self-driving cars, and more. Natural language processing, NLP. NLP advancements have given rise to chatbots, language translation tools, virtual assistants, and more. AI in industry. AI has been integrated into finance, retail, transportation, and manufacturing, enhancing decision-making and operational efficiency. Future trends in AI include creative and generative AI. AI's ability to create imaginative and artistic content, including synthetic data, creative writing, and more. AI search development. Intelligent search systems that retrieve information efficiently and enhance search engine technology. Automated machine learning, AutoML. Tools that simplify the construction of machine learning models, even for users with limited data science expertise. Computer vision. Expanding applications in healthcare, e-commerce, entertainment, robotics, and surveillance. AI and cybersecurity. Strengthening threat detection, insider threat prevention, malware detection, and more. AI in healthcare. Overhauling patient care, medical research, medical imaging, and personalized treatment. Firms are investing in AI due to its rapidly growing valuation, expected to reach $2 trillion by 2030. Venture capital firms are actively seeking AI investments, with deal values increasing. As we embark on this journey into the future of artificial intelligence, AI, it's evident that the possibilities are boundless. With AI continuously pushing the boundaries of innovation, we find ourselves on the brink of remarkable advancements. To stay on the cutting edge of AI's evolution, it's essential to keep a finger on the pulse of AI trends, emerging startups, and the latest news. By watching our content and staying informed, you'll be well prepared to navigate the exciting world of AI and witness its transformative impact on our lives. On behalf of Origins, I would like to thank you for watching this video. If you liked our content, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. See you soon!